What is Power BI Report Server? Power BI Report Server is an on-premises report server platform that allows organizations to host, manage, and distribute Power BI reports, paginated reports, and mobile reports within their own infrastructure. It provides an alternative to the cloud-based Power BI service for organizations that prefer or require an on-premises solution due to security, compliance, or data sovereignty requirements. Here are the key features and components of Power BI Report Server. On-premises deployment. Host Power BI reports, paginated reports, and mobile reports on your own servers. This gives organizations full control over their data and report environment. Power BI reports. Publish and manage Power BI reports created in Power BI Desktop. These reports can be interactive and include a wide range of visualizations. Paginated reports. Create and manage paginated reports, which are ideal for printing and sharing detailed, formatted reports. These reports are designed to fit well on a page and can be exported to various formats like PDF, Excel, and Word. Mobile reports. Develop and distribute mobile reports that are optimized for viewing on smartphones and tablets. These reports can be accessed via the Power BI mobile app. Report management. Manage report content, including organizing reports into folders, setting up subscriptions for automatic report delivery, and controlling access permissions. Data sources. Connect to a wide variety of on-premises and cloud-based data sources. Power BI Report Server supports SQL Server, Oracle, Excel, SharePoint, and more. Security and compliance. Implement robust security measures, including role-based access control, to ensure that only authorized users can access and interact with reports. This helps organizations meet compliance and regulatory requirements. Scheduled data refresh. Set up schedules for automatic data refresh to ensure that reports are always up to date with the latest data. Integration with other tools. Integrate with other Microsoft tools such as SQL Server, SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services, and SharePoint. Power BI Report Server can also be part of a larger BI ecosystem that includes cloud and on-premises components. Customization and branding. Customize the report server portal with your organization's branding and layout preferences to create a consistent and professional user experience. Web portal. Provide a web-based portal for users to access and interact with reports. The portal supports features like report favorites, search, and parameterized reports. Report embedding. Embed reports into internal applications, websites, or portals, allowing users to access reports seamlessly within other business applications. Power BI Report Server is ideal for organizations that need the flexibility and control of an on-premises reporting solution while still leveraging the powerful features of Power BI for data visualization and analysis.